Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here are some of the sticker books that I received in my latest squad box. If you guys are interested in the other sticker books, I'll leave the link to the videos that they're in down below. But I just wanted to go over these sticker books on their own because the other sticker books, I got 3 Disney books, 2 Princess and 1 Mickey Mouse, so I put them in a different video to go with that theme. And then I got 2 gardening sticker books to go with the gardening theme, so I put that in the gardening video. It's really hard to figure out what to put in what video, but these were separate, so I wanted to put these in a different video. I'll flip through these. All right, let's get started. The first one I have here is Happy Blooms, and already I'm so excited about this one. So let's see. Again, just florals. I'm in love with just a sticker book of florals. Like, look at that. These are big on just regular sticker paper. So not the clear translucent, but I still love that color scheme. Oh my God. Love that. The dark purple and the pink. I'm going to be set for florals for at least the next year. Let's say year. And these ones, this green, that's stunning. Ooh, it's like they're a mixture of like pencil crayon and paint. Love the yellow, love that. And then a little bits of black in there. Really pretty. Ooh, I feel like these are black translucent. Yes. Oh my God, how gorgeous is that? That is going to be amazing. Amazing. And then these are on clear translucent. Again, love that. Gold foil. Love the gold foil. Again, hard to photograph and see on camera, but beautiful. These, I love these. And I love that they're cut into the corner like that. Gorgeous. Again, this one is on clear transparent. This is on clear transparent as well. Love the color combination. So, so pretty. Ooh, this is new, and this is on that transparent, that clear sticker paper as well. I love this. I love the green background of this one. Love it. Love it. I could decorate a different spread almost every day with this book. I'd be so happy. So happy. Ooh. Oh my gosh. What they're doing with the designs of florals now is fantastic. My favorite. Florals, you can give me all the floral sticker books and I'd be set. I basically need like a floral sticker book, a book with just all of like dots, maybe some icons and boxes, and then I'd be set. Maybe some words, and then I'd be good. Pretty. Ooh. It's a little bit more realistic, this one. I like them so, so much. This color scheme for the succulent blue foil, shut up. Look at that blue foil. That's stunning. That is stunning. Just this whole theme in here. Love it. Love this book. I rub it because I love it so much. So that is Happy Blooms. Next is Biz Babe. So Biz Babe is actually another theme that's also with the gardening theme. So there's planners and sticker books coming out with a specific theme, and this is Biz Babe. And basically everybody in the squad wanted this sticker book, so they gave it to all of us, which I'm so happy with. So because one of the things we loved is this color scheme. Love the color scheme, and it's like a rose gold foil that's in here. Again, it's kind of the same, like similar colors to what those daily productivity sheets are. Oh, I love it. Great. I love boxes like this, and then the checklists. You don't have to use a checklist like this. You can actually cut it into its own lines, and they'd be great as little icons. There's an idea for you. Hexagons, big goal, Love that. I can already see myself using these in my daily pages. Love it. Power Hour. Fantastic. The color scheme of this whole book already, I'm in love with. Love, love, love with. Brain dump, to-day list, big ideas, top 3 due today. The habit tracker, really good. Ooh, I never know how to use these ones, but so far, otherwise I love the sticker book. Ooh, and it feels like is it repeating? I feel like it's repeating. Nope. Okay. Big goal. There we go. Priority, important. I love these little circles. Working late. Again, the Power Hour. Noted, due. I love these little squares because I normally combine them with like the checklist or washi, and it's just such a great element. I love these circles. Oh. Ooh. Oh, that reminds me of the little Pixar lamp. Anyone else? Pixar lamp. Pens, pen, books, plan all the things, coffee. Cute. Write correspondence. I love that. And more boxes. Flags. I love flag stickers. And then in rose gold, all the icons. More brain dump today list. Really liking this book. And these quotes. Fantastic. And then if you need to go on a business trip or anything, this won't be happening anytime soon. I'm excited for the day when the travel restrictions are lifted and I'll be finally able to meet my team in the US, although they are located all over the US, so we'll see. And then you've got the star, books, and envelopes. All right, so that is Biz Babe. So if you check out some of the other squad members, they will have the complete set of Biz Babe. All right, so let's move on to the next sticker book. The next sticker book is Caregiver, and I was a little surprised to get this because it's not normally something I thought I would like, but I've already, just even looking at the color scheme in here, I love the muted colors that the Happy Planner is going with. This is definitely more my style than a lot of the brighter things that are out there. Aw, Band-Aids. I don't know what I'd use those for. What would you guys, I mean, what would you use those for? Those are Band-Aids, right? Band-Aids in a different color. And then heart with the cross fur. I think appointments, schedule tests, visit doctor, shower day, pick up prescription. Okay. I have to say this would be actually important for my husband to know because my kids take their showers every other day and he always forgets what day we're on. For doctor's appointments, daycare, grocery shopping, meal prep. Cute. And I love that they're available and there's so many of them. Flags. We've got, what does that say? Appointment. That says appointment. And a whole bunch of these little check mark icons. Dots. So really great for appointments. And this one actually is cute because you got 6 to 11, 11 to 5, 5 to 10. Ah. So you're kind of blocking your time there. And you don't necessarily need to use that if you're not a caregiver. You can use it for blocking your time if you're at school, work, things like that. Oh, I love the yellow. Really pretty. Grateful boxes. These, I love small boxes like that. What, where, when. I hardly ever use boxes like these, the what, where, when for appointments because I find they're too big for the mini. So I hardly use these, but I do use these. I need to find a way to actually use these. I will. And then more boxes. A cute little rainbow. Reminds me of Jasmine. Very cute. Again, love the color scheme of this whole thing. Beautiful. These are beautiful, beautiful stickers. A lot of functional stickers in here as well. You don't necessarily need the don't forget. I've shown you guys, I think, before where if you can actually cut the top off where it says don't forget, you can just make your little own quarter box. This week's love letter to myself. That's lovely. Self-care day. I like that you may not necessarily, it may not be a caregiver for somebody else, but a caregiver to yourself. Take care of yourself. This is my favorite part. This rainbow. Ah, and that rainbow. Beautiful. Oh, and one more. Love it. Love that. So that is the Caregiver sticker book. And then lastly, we have the handwritten colored boxes. So there's ones for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I already have to say that some people enjoy having their, having these already labeled. I don't necessarily, but these would be really easy to white out if you don't use them for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. My volunteer appointment. The great thing I'm already seeing though is that these are easy to white out, so you can just use them as just regular boxes. You don't have to use them for chores or reservations or email. Order by, again, really great color scheme. I feel like these will match really, really well with what's just come out. Ooh, pretty. So these are more like purple, gray, blue tones. Coffee date, birthday party, wedding. If you guys just limited yourselves to what was written in these boxes, you wouldn't be able to use as many of them, but definitely you can just white that out or put a different sticker on top and you're all set. You don't have to use these as what's labeled. So you got like the pinks and purples and kind of like the dark, what color is that, maroon? I love these big boxes. I love them. And I love the writing. The writing is exactly the same as what is in Handwritten plans. I think it's Jana's writing. Really cute. I love this color scheme. This color scheme is cute. It's bright, but not like harsh bright, if that makes sense. Again, love it. Ooh, and then gold. Gold foil. Gold foil like right in your face. Then silver foil. Oh, that is really hard. I say silver, but it is more like holographic because you've got like the rainbow tones. This is silver. And then this is more like rainbow holographic. Can you guys see that? Yeah. Whereas like this is just silver. And this is the rainbow. Cute. Silver. Right. And that's it for handwritten colored boxes. So that is a flip through of all 4 sticker books. If they are available on the Happy Planner site, I will leave my affiliate links to these down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, again, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.